The dog or domestic dog is a domesticated descendant of the wolf. The dog is derived from an ancient, extinct wolf. The goat or domestic goat is a domesticated species of goat antelope typically kept as livestock. It was domesticated from the wild goat of Southwest Asia and Eastern Europe. Cattle are large, domesticated, cloven-hooved, herbivores. They are a prominent modern member of the subfamily Bovinae and the most widespread species of the genus Bos. Parrots, also known as psittacines, are birds of the roughly 398 species in 92 genera comprising the order Psittaciformes. The domestic donkey is a hoofed mammal in the family Equidae, the same family as the horse. It derives from the African wild ass. Elephantidae is a family of large, herbivorous proboscidean mammals collectively called elephants and mammoths. The horse is a domesticated, one-toed, hoofed mammal. It belongs to the taxonomic family Equidae and is one of two extant subspecies of Equus ferus. A camel is an even-toed ungulate in the genus Camelus that bears distinctive fatty deposits known as humps on its back. The giant panda, also known as the panda bear, is a bear species endemic to China. It is characterized by its bold black and white coat and rotund body. The lion is a large cat of the genus Panthera native to Africa and India. It has a muscular, broad-chested body, short, rounded head, round ears.
The history of the domestic sheep goes back to between 11,000 and 9,000 BC, and the domestication of the wild mouflon in ancient Mesopotamia.
The cat is a domestic species of small carnivorous mammal. It is the only domesticated species in the family Felidae and is often referred to as the domest. Monkey is a common name that may refer to most mammals of the infraorder Simiiformes, also known as the simians. The giraffe is a large African hoofed mammal belonging to the genus Giraffa. It is the tallest living terrestrial animal and the largest ruminant on Earth. Squirrels are members of the family Sauridae, a family that includes small or medium-sized rodents. Bears are carnivorous mammals of the family Ursidae. They are classified as caniforms, or dog-like carnivorans. The lion is a large cat of the genus Panthera native to Africa and India. It has a muscular, broad-chested body, short, rounded head, round ears. Equidae is the taxonomic family of horses and related animals, including the extant horses, asses, and zebras. The pig, often called swine, hog, or domestic pig when distinguishing from other members of the genus Sus, is an omnivorous, domesticated. Turtles are an order of reptiles known as Testudines, characterized by a shell developed mainly from their ribs. The wolf, also known as the gray wolf or gray wolf, is a large canine native to Eurasia and North America. More than 30 subspecies of Canis lupus have been recognized, and gray wolves. Snakes are elongated, limbless, carnivorous reptiles of the suborder Serpentis. Like all other squamates, snakes are ectothermic, amniote vertebrates covered in overlapping scales. The Indian peafowl, also known as the common peafowl, and blue peafowl, is a peafowl species native to the Indian subcontinent. The chicken is a domesticated jungle fowl species, with attributes of wild species such as the gray and the Ceylon jungle fowl that are originally from southeastern Asia. Duck is the common name for numerous species of waterfowl in the family Onotidae. Ducks are generally smaller and shorter-necked than swans and geese. Flamingos or flamingos A/FLMIOZ/ are a type of wading bird in the family Phainopteridae, which is the only extant family in the order Phainopteriformes. A frog is any member of a diverse and largely carnivorous group of short-bodied, tailless amphibians composing the order Anura. The meerkat or suricate is a small mongoose found in southern Africa. It is characterized by a broad head, large eyes, a pointed snout, long legs. The American bison is a species of bison native to North America. Sometimes colloquially referred to as buffalo, it is one of two extant species of bison. The bowhead whale is a species of baleen whale belonging to the family Balenidae and the only living representative of the genus Balena. A dolphin is an aquatic mammal within the infraorder Cetacea. Dolphin species belong to the families Delphinidae, Platanistidae. Coccinellidae is a widespread family of small beetles ranging in size from 0.8 to 18 mm. The family is commonly known as ladybug.